Rhymoree.
Red is the rocket zooming high, racing fast across the sky. Strawberries wave as it goes by, painting clouds like cherry pie. Blue is the whale who sings a tune, splashing waves beneath the moon. Sky so wide, deep like the sea, blue is calm and wild and free. Yellow is the buzzing bee, dancing near the sunflower tree. Lemon pops and rubber ducks, yellow brings the sunny luck. Green is grass and jumping frogs, hiding near the mossy logs. Peas and limes in every bite, green is fresh and full of light. Orange is the tiger's stripe, bold and bright the jungle type. Carrots, cones and cozy flames, orange plays the warmest games. Purple is the wizard's hat, magic swirls and this and that. Grapes and plums in evening skies, purple paints the starry highs. Pink is giggle soft and sweet, cotton candy dancing feet. Blush of love and jelly beans, pink is made for fun-filled scenes. Colors swirl and colors spin, every shade has joy within. Mix and match they shine so bright, a rainbow world of pure